Tired of cluttered bathroom corners and shelves that slip or damage your walls? Imagine a shower organizer that sticks firmly without drilling, screws, or suction pads. The WENKO Vacuum-Loc corner shelf offers just that, a strong hold without any damage to your walls, making it perfect for renters or anyone avoiding permanent installation. I recently switched to this WENKO adhesive bath shelf, and it's been a game changer. Installation was effortless. Just follow the simple video guide, and the shelf has stayed put without slipping even once. Unlike other brands I tried, this shelf feels rock solid. It's designed specifically for 90-degree right-angle corners, which means it fits snugly and securely in your shower or bathroom corner. Plus, the open grid design lets water drain fast, preventing buildup and keeping everything dry and clean. What really sold me was the Rustproof chrome steel construction. It's sturdy and built to last, so no worries about corrosion over time. This shelf isn't just for the bathroom either. You can use it in the kitchen or bedroom to organize soaps, shampoos, or any small essentials. When you want to move it, just reposition it without leaving sticky residue or damage behind, something rare in adhesive organizers. The secret is WENKO's patented vacuum lock system. It uses a pump and mounting locks to create a powerful, reliable attachment on air-impermeable and uneven surfaces. Each mounting lock supports up to 33 kilograms, so you're not just getting convenience, you're getting peace of mind. Customers across the U.S. rave about how this shelf maximizes space, especially in smaller bathrooms. It's a smart, space-saving solution that adds real value without the hassle of tools or wall damage. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom storage with a shelf that's easy to install, rust-proof, and moves with you, this WENKO Vacuum-Loc corner shelf is worth a look. It's a practical choice for anyone who wants a clean, organized space without drilling holes or risking wall damage. Try it when you're ready to make your bathroom more functional and clutter-free.